You are welcome to my channel once again, everyone. Thank you for those of us who have watched my video and you have subscribed to the channel. Now, we bought this onion 3 or 4 months ago, around March or April or so. And so we are in the 4th month in which we have bought the onion and have it being stored here. Now the time has come for us to take this onion to the market for sale. Actually, this is just small scale onion business. I'm having 7 of these, but this is just only one block. The remaining 6 blocks are still a warehouse here, but this is the one of the blocks that we have. So for this one blocks, it contains just only 2 bags of onion. When we bought this bag of onion, I bought a bag of this onion at the rate of 40,000 naira here in Oyo State, at the rate of 40,000 naira. And now I've been to the market to go and find out how much are they selling a bag of onion. As I said earlier, this is just a 4-month gap in which we stored this onion here. And for now, I was told that a bag of onion is 90,000 naira. 90,000 naira, meaning that we make around 40, 45. By the time you remove the transportation to the place where you are going to sell, the market, definitely we get not less than 40,000 from this one bag of onion. So if you have the mind of investing into onion business, I think it's a good business you can invest in. It's a good business you can invest in. You can see them the way they are packing the onion inside a bag, where we are going to ask the Okada man to come and take the onion to the market. And in some of my video, I have made a video on how to construct your onion storage. And this is one of the way you can construct your onion storage. You can see clearly that the onion is very, very dry. Look at what I'm holding in my hands now. It's very dry and it's giving a good sound, meaning that it has enough ventilation. It has enough ventilation, and it will not allow the onion to be growing. And that means that the buyers will definitely buy the onion in a good price. So onion business is a good business if you can follow the rules I've shared from my other videos. I've talked about 4 or 3 things you have to put in mind. Number 1 is the issue of ventilation. Where you are going to store your onion, it is a must that the ventilation must be well okay, in which there will be open doors and open windows where you are going to store your onion. And so once again, if as I said earlier, this block contains just only 2 bags of onion, and I bought a bag of this onion here in Oyo State. I bought it at the rate of 40,000 naira, and I was being told that at the market now a bag is 90,000 naira. By the time I remove the transportation money to the place, definitely from one bag I will be making not less than 40 to 45,000 naira after removing the transportation to the place. And I'm having 2 bags here. So there are other bags. As I said, we have 4 or 5 bags in the second store there, where we are going to also pack that one too and take them to the market for sale. So if you can invest like 1 million or even half a million, 500,000 naira, and you are able to buy good numbers of bags of onion, you can imagine yourself how much you are likely going to make. But as I said, you need to take the caution in when it comes to the aspect of storage, how to store your onion. If you fail to store your onion the way it should be, there will be problem, because most of the onion will be getting rotten, and that will not be your job. You can see the net now. You can see the net now that we use to spread the onion. We put the net there so that the onion will not be growing. And what makes it grow is the issue of the ventilation. So very, very important that you store your onion where there will be enough ventilation. You can see how it's giving sound. It shows that these onions are very, very dry. They are very, very dry. And so it will bring you much profit if you can invest into this onion business. Another question that people always ask me is how to build this storage facility, the one we are just we are showing you now. Well, you need to call the carpenter and the iron bender, so that the welder, they are the one that you need to consult in order for them to help you put up all this system. You see the warehouse itself, this is the warehouse itself, has enough of here, enough ventilation. There are nets up here. These are the nets here. This is net here, and there are doors that leads to where we store the onion. And all these things are very, very important if actually you intend to make money from onion business. So it's a good business you can invest in, and if you try it, I want to believe you will not regret that you do so. And this is a bag that we used to pack the onion to the market. Actually, when we bought it, it was the same bag that they used to bring it down to the store here. And it's the same bag we are going to put the something again and take it to the market. After the uploading, we are going to use this one, this thing I'm holding. It is the Hausa that normally make it to cover the onion. We use a rope to tie everything together. So very, very important. Once again, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please, I want to beg you, subscribe to the channel, so that anytime I make another video that has to do with onion storage or onion business, you will get notified by YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you have a question to ask, you can go to the comment section. Just go below the video section where they put comments. You make your comments, you make your question, you ask your question, and I will not hesitate to quickly respond to your question. Once again, there are other videos where I've talked about where to get your onion, how to get your onion, how to get the right onion, because there are 3 types of onion. So the one that is best is the one that we are showing you now. So there is one that looks like white like this. Yeah, you should not go for that one. And there is another one that look more somehow reddish or dark in color. That one also is not good for storage. They will be rotting if you go for such onion. Although they are very cheap, but they'll be rotting. But for this one, these are the best type of onion you are expected to buy in order for you to store them for a long time, just like between 3 or 4 months or so. You are okay. Once again, if you are here to subscribe, I want to beg you, please subscribe to the channel, so that anytime I make another video, you will definitely get notified. Thank you, and God bless you.